Woo! I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I was just stressed out, man, because I got a twofer for y'all today. I got a twofer. I'm finna cook up some hooded ski V2s for y'all, and I'm finna cook up some pans, bro. So look, I follow my homeboy Nonstar, right? Buddy been going crazy since the beginning. I've seen him come up from zero. Buddy go crazy. And he made these t-shirts right here. I need one. So I'm finna go make him some denim pants, some distressed denim for those. And then I'm finna go to Walmart to get y'all some fabric to cook these up, because I got a twofer, like I said. But I didn't know where my wallet was, bro. I was stressing. I'm like, it's the first work day of the week. I just hit the gym. I was feeling good. And I couldn't find my wallet. I was stressing, bro. Pulled up to the store, found it. So let's go spend money, I guess. All right, so for the hooded skis, I keep calling them hooded skis. I'm not doing a ski. They're hooded scarves. So for the hooded scarf, I'm tweaking. For the hooded scarf, I need to go to Walmart and find brown fabric. You know me, like the dookie brown. But then after that, I just need to go to Goodwill to find some denims to back and flare, all that good stuff to match this denim. Let's hit the Walmart and then let's hit the Goodwill. Let's make it happen.
All right, man, we up in here. You know, Walmart be having that energy to it, bro. I feel icky. Let me go ahead and get to the sewing stuff so we can get what we need to retrieve and get up out of here, bro. I feel... Walmart just feel like it's not a real place. Like, you walk in and the energy just different. I guess back in the early 2000s, it was cool. Now? All right, bro, so I'm over here and I low-key got blessed because, this is the only brown fabric over here and it's hard. So I had to come up with it, you know? And then, but I also got this one and I'm fighting demons, bro. These things are both hard. Let's get up out of here, bro. Like I said, I feel icky.
Bro, that's a perfect example of what I mean when I say Walmart is not a real place. Like, they're selling groceries outside the grocery store. Just go in and buy it. It's cheaper. All right, so look. Oh! Basically, I'm gonna start with the hooded skis. That's what I'm gonna do first. Always start with the stuff you don't wanna do, so by the time you're about done with your work, it gets easier and easier type vibe. So with that being said, I'm gonna go finish this other one that I have in there, because this one's not interfaced up top, but it's interfaced right here, and I have another one that's interfaced down here and up here, and I'm gonna see which one I like better, and then after that, I'll go ahead and cut up the other ones and, make it based on the information I just figured out. So let's get to it. We're gonna do the one without no interface. This thing is crazy. I don't even want to show y'all, bro. Let's just get to the cooking. All right, so you're gonna need some interface and some fabric, not much. Let's get to it.
Bro, so I just laid this fabric out and I lied, bro. We're gonna do the green one because this fabric is so hard I have to use them on some jeans or something, bro. Like, oh my God, the color on those is crazy. The texture, I wouldn't even have to dye them, bro. It's doing my vibe better than me.
I don't know what Unc got going on, but we just gonna prep up our green fabric, and then we're gonna cut out a hood with about 1/2 inch seam allowance, except at the top. I added about 1 inch at the top to drag it out a little further, and then I just brought it back in about 1 inch at the bottom since I drug it out at the top. Pin them things up. Cut 2. You're gonna need one for your lining and one for the outside, just like a regular hood. Now we're gonna do the little straps. I just freehanded these, bro. Just like some do-rag strips, whatever you want to do, bro. The thinner the better, but like I said, whatever you want to do. Cut them johns out. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, I was feeling a little frisky, so I cut 2. I cut another. I cut 2. I cut 3. No, I'm just playing. I just cut 2.
So I cut out 2 of them. 1, 2. And then I realized I didn't have any interface, bro. Even though I only need some for this little strip right here, I need it bad. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start that denim, come back over here tomorrow with some interface, and then I'll be able to finish these up. And let's just see how far we get on this denim. I don't wanna do too much because, bro only giving me a t-shirt. It's a hard t-shirt, don't get me wrong. But I wanna, keep it simple yet still give that nostalgia vibe, still make it hard. So let's get to cooking.
I'm talking about start, bro. I finished these things pretty much. So I'm seam tearing my base pair right here, the whole pair. And then I took another pair and I just popped out the hem because I'm just gonna cut the bottom off and use them as flares anyway. Now we took them things over and we ironed them. Get them flat Stanley, you know how I like them. Drag them off the screen like they're getting murdered. Iron the other ones. I drew a little flare in and I cut him out. Hopped over to the sewing machine. I'm just sewing those johns in. This is on the inseam, I believe.
I know bro likes fancy cuts, so I pinned up my back panel, and now I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on the speeding pants.
Bro, I'm talking about speeding pants. I just realized I'm still editing that. I haven't posted that yet. But hopefully I can get that out for y'all soon. It's a banger.
But I'm gonna do it symmetrically, so I got them pinned up so it'll do it to both sides.
All right, now that we got those things cut up, I'm just sewing them right back up. 1/2 inch seam allowance. So that'll allow me to open them up after I sew them down and then top stitch them so we don't get too many frays. Or, so they'll fray, but it doesn't open all the way. Flat Stanley. Yes, sir.
Alrighty, we done flared them Johns. We done threw in that little cut and sew, whatever you want to call it. And I'm really finna go take a late lunch, bro. It's like 3 o'clock. It's like 3 o'clock and I ain't got none on my stomach. So let's go ahead and do that. And then I'll see if I can distress some more later. And that'll be today.
Yeah, no, stuff really got devious in the kitchen. But took my pants outside, start distressing. And the sun was just doing me dirty, bro. So this is a little quick distressing montage. Like, I ain't even want to show y'all this, but I put it in there. Day 1 out the way with, and they're pretty much done. I just got to patch them up and assemble them for real. Here's what the front's looking like. And here's what the back's looking like. Okay, Silly Goose. I'm already mad at you. Silly Goose, I woke up this morning, y'all, and move, Silly Goose. I woke up this morning, and Silly Goose has a cat mounted on her back. Move, Silly Goose. She has a whole cat mounted on her back, bro, about to let loose inside of her. And I'm like, get off of her. Like, headphone warning, I guess. But yeah, I was like, get off of her, bro, because that's foul. I guess she ain't heat or whatever, but we're going to have to get her spayed soon, because that's insane, bro. Like, I'm traumatized for real as a father. But yeah, that's the back. It's day 2 on this scarf, little pants combo vid, right? I was moving so fast this morning, bro. I messed around and I left the pants at the crib. But I got the interface still. So I got the interface. We're gonna bust these scarves up real quick. I ain't gonna reveal them yet, because I know how y'all get. And then I'm gonna go home, get my pants, get right, bro, and then we can link back up. So let me get these 2 scarves right. All right, so I pulled them scarves out from the other day, and I basically just lay my interface down on top of them, and I'm pressing them things. Even heat, make sure you got them all on there good. Pin them up, and then here's my second one, doing it again. Good thing it's the only part where you really got an interface. Took them things to the sewing machine, and my first few were funky, because I was going too fast, but whenever something's like real thin and you're sewing it, you really want to serge this type of stuff. But if you want to sew it, go real slow and have a pin to keep tucking it. Now I'm just top stitching all of them after I turned them inside out. And that'd be it. The strap's ready, bro. Now we're going to go ahead and move over to those hoods, and we're going to sew those up just like any other hoodie. You're going to sew that midline on the lining, then sew that midline on the outside, and you're going to sew them together. And really, that's that, bro. Anything else you add after that is personal sauce. I flipped it inside out and top stitched it. And while it was still inside out, I tucked my straps in all the way to the edge, sewed those boys down to 1/2 inch, and then I flipped them back out to the right side. And that's pretty much it, bro. Now all I got to do is hand sew them. All right, glad I could come over here this morning and bust him up, get him done. So now all I have to do is go home. I'm gonna hand sew these little pockets closed, kind of just like I do pillows. And I'm gonna try to recuperate so I can come back over here and get those pants situated for y'all. And if not, I'm gonna be editing. So either way, we cooking. All right, look, man, ain't no time to play, man. Look, I ain't gonna even cap to y'all. It's the next day, bro. It's the next day. I went home. I got a little jazzy. I got tired, bro. Get over it. Now I'm finna just patch up these patches, bro. I'm gonna patch up these patches so I can close them up and dye them. I'm low-key excited to see these because I love to see a skinny pair with a little flare at the bottom. It do something to me, bro. It do something to me. Let's get to it, bro. I don't want to waste too much time. Man, you heard Unc. Quit wasting time, twin. Go ahead and cut up some denim. Spray it on the back of your patches and patch them up, bro. That's all you really gotta do. Take them to the sewing machine, stitch some zigzags wherever you want. Make sure you having fun with it, bro. Don't think about it too hard. You messing up if you think about it too hard. Trim them things up, sew them closed. Now we're going to the dye bath. First we're gonna hit it with that color remover, and then later that night I hit it with the bleach bath. Soak them things down up in there. Next morning I hit it with a dye bath. A little black powder, a little brown wet stuff, and drop them things down in there, along with another pair I made. And there we go, bro. That's it. That's it. Here they are. Here's the pants, bro. What are you still here for? No, I'm just playing. I wish bro would have sent me the shirt sooner, because I could have put that in the video too, but it is what it is, bro. I'm just happy to be here. Like I said, bro, this is the ideal skinny silhouette. Like hugging your legs, but right there at your ankles, boom. A little explosion, a little, I don't know, a little character. Bro, that back sew, like that little design element I added with that cut, nasty work, bro. I might have to, I don't know, new design element unlocked. Distress is perfect, bro. Like a lot of people like to do big blocks with distresses right by the knee. That's boring, bro. I want mine to tell a story. Oh, 1930s pants. He's crazy, bro. Thank you for my beautiful model, because these Jones were way too tight for me, but got some skinny legs. But that's pretty much it, man. I appreciate y'all. Whoa, I appreciate y'all for making it all the way to the end, because you really didn't have to. We just locked in, we just learning, we just having fun, man. Y'all remember the past, because that's who made you the person you are today. Oh wait, y'all thought I forgot about the scarves. Well, I low-key almost did, but here's the reveal on that. Boy looking crispy, looking chic. I like how this one's slender, but it still fills out the silhouette intended. You can style it plenty ways, however you want for real. Little turby vibe. It's whatever you want to do, man. Low key, bro, I'm gonna get that stiff one and I'm gonna fix it up and I'm gonna send it to one of y'all. So drop one positive thing you'd like to change about the fashion game, and I'm gonna lock in with my favorite one. Here's those other pants I made for my friend. They were commissioned, so I just slid them in, you know, give y'all a 3-for-1 if you stayed this long. Super flared on these. And then on the back, I did the same cuts, but on one of them, I added a zipper. Little flare pizzazz. You already know what the deal is, man. Now, for real, if you made it this far, I appreciate you, because we locked in. Y'all remember the past, because that's who made you the person you are today.